So I like this slide. This is one of my favorite slides because a lot of people who have never worked in a law firm have a, a distorted impression of it and think that it's very glamorous. And so I just have a picture that I pulled off the internet of what real lawyers look like, and then what not real lawyers look like. And it's pretty true. I mean, these lawyers are all attractive, the real ones, but mainly white, mainly men, and mainly sort of, yeah, not glamorous. And then in the not real, you see the idea of a TV show, lawyers. And I just want to say that I included this image before Meghan Markle actually left acting. So I just think that that is an interesting Easter egg. So a law firm office is another thing that people think, you're a librarian, you work at a law firm, that it is glamorous. But most lawyers, their office is really their mess. They have books everywhere, boxes. That is a pretty typical office on the left. And then not real is sort of this executive suite. And, I'm sure some lawyers who are very, very successful have nice offices like that. It's not typical. And then we get to the law firm library. So this is kind of a problem. It was really becoming a problem when I left the law firm. This idea that people want the library space to be more like a Starbucks, to be more of a place where they can go and feel comfortable looking at their books, or looking at things online. And so the real is actually a problem. They're actually disappearing. Space is at a premium. Books are take up a lot of room, and generally print collections are going away. So you'll see that this sort of beautiful sets of, these are reporters, and I'll explain this later, like what these books are and what they have in them. People always want, you'll see if you go back a few slides, that the lawyers always take their pictures in front of these books. It's a legitimacy thing. This is the law, and it is important. But for the most part, most attorneys access this material online now. We don't go to the books. Though we'll learn how to use the books, just because, I don't know, I figure for a librarian you need to sort of learn sort of the origin of it. Plus I think it helps with just understanding the structure of the online environment.